The Nichesss blogs tool feature. Does it work? Yes, it does. And let's find out how. It does have limitations though. And I'm going to show you how to overcome those limitations right now. So let's jump in. Two particular features at the moment, blogs intro and blog post outline. Let's do both of them at the same time. Okay, there's more features coming down the pipeline, and I don't know when they're coming, but I think they'll be pretty soon, knowing the way Malcolm, the developer, works on this particular piece of kit. Okay, so blog or company name. So let's call this Phil's Marketing. Phil's my name and I like marketing. So blog category, business. Okay, what the blog is about, helping businesses win with marketing. Okay, and now title of the post. What should we say? How to win with marketing. So it's very open. Try and keep this quite short, guys. Not lots and lots of information in the input boxes. Give the tool some wriggle room. Okay, we'll hit generate another 60 seconds or so, and we'll have our plan developed. Again, I keep reiterating this point. The key feature, one of the key features with Nichesss is you're not burning credits all the time. You've got unlimited credits, at least for the time being. If you buy now, it's a one-off deal and unlimited credits for life. Whether that'll change in the future with new purchases, who knows? But at the moment, get in while you can, unlimited credits. Let's see what we've got for Phil's Marketing here. Okay, so this is the blog post intro and the blog outline. So, blog post intro. Marketing is all around us, and a successful marketing campaign can make or break a business. How true, guys. As Drucker said, it's marketing and innovation that add value. Everything else adds cost. Okay, you've worked hard to develop a product that is good. You've worked hard to develop a product that is new. This would work really well if you're doing a bit of video marketing for your business. So let's see, blog post outline, how to win with marketing. So we'd have it. This is just the outline for a blog post. So you'd have marketing strategy, tips on branding, tips on how to sell, tips on getting the word out. Another one. What is marketing? What is branding? What is sales, campaigns and strategies, etc., etc. Now, I did say there's limitations on the blog post intros, and there are. OpenAI limit the amount of characters that you can produce in one run. Here's a fix for that, guys. Okay, in Nichesss, go to the bottom, click on Add More. So let's just before we do, let's just see. There are plenty of ways to get it wrong. With the help of a good marketing professional. Okay. Strong marketing campaign can take you to the next level. Okay, let's use that marketing campaign idea. What we need to do is click onto blog post intro again, because we're going to expand this section. Helping business with marketing. How to win. How to create a winning marketing strategy. Okay. Let's see what we get with this, guys. So we're going to keep generating new sections called intros with a couple of linking lines. We can add all these intros together and make a 1,000, 2,000 word blog post in the blink of an eye almost. So 10, 20 minutes and you're good to go. So let's just see what Nichesss has done for us here. By the way, is the tool perfect? No, it's not. None of these tools are perfect. I'd say around 40% of the time it produces actionable information straight off the bat that you can put on your site or whether you're going to deploy it. About 40% of the time it's going to need either minor or larger tweaking. 20% of the time it's going to be for brainstorming purposes and maybe for that big virtual trash can on your desktop. Anyway, let's see what we got. How to create a winning marketing strategy. What is a marketing strategy and why is it important to you and your business? A marketing strategy is a plan for how your business will sell its products and services. Leads in very nicely. And this one, how to create a winning marketing strategy. This guide, so it's going into a guide, so you can put this as a lead magnet, a download onto your particular digital assets, web blog, etc. That's how you use the blog post intro to develop full blog posts, guys. Just keep on clicking add more, and just change one of the inputs, hit regenerate, and you're going to get more and more and more output. Put them all together and you've got a nice flowing blog post. It's as simple as that, guys. So that's the most requested feature of the Nichesss AI content writing tool. It's fabulous. I like it. I bought it. So let's move on to the next section.